2015 Chevy Caprice. REB Red Racing just came from TikTok. Make sure you guys hit that bell so you get notified next time I'm go live. We got James McKay from Alberta. If you're looking for a shout out, make sure you guys check out my YouTube channel. It's live. Alrighty guys, let's see this supercharged wine. First, let's show it to you. You want to see it first before you hear it? Okay, let me show it to you first. Look out now. There it is. Alright. Alright, here we go. Now let's see if it crank up. Oh, I didn't drop the key. I needed that key. Alrighty. This is a PPV Chevrolet Caprice. Somebody called and said it was a beast. Got the cam and everything with the Chevy modeling. Hood is open. That's right, guys. The hood is open. I love the way that thing sounds. I like the way that thing sounds. Go to Yello Belly closed. Let me see. Yeah, Lil J Money just subscribed from TikTok. So 2015. We ain't got no gas. We're gonna do a raffle on it soon, guys. This is live, Michael Turner. Running Barefoot just came from TikTok. I sure appreciate it. Let's see. Let me see. Right there, y'all. Got all these fans on. Turn me some air on. Okay, got the LSA on here. Let me see. Street car. Daniel Hernandez just came from TikTok. We appreciate it. Y'all tell your friend DG. He said he definitely gonna support the raffle. Just came from TikTok. Daniel Gill. And I got that intake. Let me see how many miles on it. 116,000 miles on it. We got 116,000 miles. And I'm supposed to be getting the lookout stickers and wrap put on the car soon. Let me see. Got the mods on here, got the rig on here, it ain't supposed to be breaking. Got everything on here ready to go, y'all. What the? Let me see, we got from Costa Rica. What else? Who else? Yeah, it's not even broken in yet, man. You know what I'm saying? Once somebody was to get it, you know, I'm probably gonna list all the mods and stuff on here and let everybody know when I put it on for raffle. Let me see, BG in here. No warning lights. Yeah, I got a warning light because of the I changed the fuel system on here. Got a full double fuel pump fuel system, and we ain't got it turned off due to that. So it's trying to figure out how is it getting fuel. But we're gonna get that turned off. Right now we only got half a tune. Got the Bluetooth working on here. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, it's already connected to my other phone. Yeah, man. Got the Bluetooth working. Yeah, so let me see. That's pretty much it on this thing right here. More people on TikTok, make sure y'all come in, hit that YouTube channel. Ain't saying, with liking and sharing and all that good stuff. Y'all look out for me one time, for the one time. I'm gonna go on here to get on the highway. See what it feels like on the highway. I just explained the check engine light on the snow. Ooh-wee, boy. I better watch out. It's not here to get away from me. Whoever do win it, I'll be like, dang. Got a bad mom. Ride, ride, ride. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Matter of fact, TikTokers, y'all come on my YouTube channel and I'm gonna put my phone in the phone mount. That way I ain't gotta try to hold it and drive. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all feel me? Check out my YouTube channel. We riding around in the streets. I see that thing pulling. He said 100 easy. Yeah, well, to get to that 100 easy. Yeah, to get to that 100 easy. Brother be getting on the gas. I ain't even on it. Watch out the here though. Loud. Get a little hot right here. Loud, a little hot right here. About 50 roll. Let me see. Get a full pull. Hell nah. We're gonna speed it up though. Let me see. He's somebody said hit it for Forza. Yeah, it's a spot where you can hit it at, but it ain't right here. You gotta get out of this spot right here.